Welcome to the Indian largest or natural salt lake. This salt lake is the Indian's largest inland salt lake. This lake, shaped like a ball, encircles historical Samar Lake town located 96 kilometers southwest of the city of Jaipur, northeast India, and 64 kilometers northeast of Jaipur along National Highway 8 in Rajasthan. The catchment area of this lake is 5700 km square and its length maximum 35.5 kilometers and its width 3 to 11 kilometer. Average depth of this lake is 0.6 meter to 3 meter and maximum depth of this lake is 3 meter. The lakes receive water from an Android basin with 5700 square kilometer catchment area. It is not part of Ganga River Basin area and geographically a separate landlocked river basin. The lake is actually an extensive shallow wetland with water depths fracturing from a few as 60 centimeter during the dry season to about 3 meter after the monsoon season. It occupies an area of 190 to 230 square kilometer based on the season. It is an elliptically shaped lake 35.5 km long with a breadth varying between 3 km and 11 km. It is located in Nagaur and Jaipur district and it is also border the Ajmer district. The circumference of the lake is 96 km, surrounded on all sides by the Aravalli Hills. The Samar Lake Basin is divided by 5.1 km long dam made of sandstone. After salt water reaches a certain concentration, it will be released from the west side to the eastern side by lifting dam gates. To the east of the dam are salt evaporization ponds where salt has been farmed for a thousand years. This eastern area is 80 km square and comprises salt reservoirs, canals and salt pans separated by narrow villages. To the east of the dam is a railroad built by the British before India's independence to provide access from Samar Lake City to the salt works. It is India's largest saline lake and it is the source of most Rajasthan salt production. It produces 196,000 tons of clean salt every year, which equals to around 9% of salt production. Salt is produced by evaporization process of brine and is mostly managed by Samar Salt Limited (SSL), a joint venture of Hindustan Salt Limited and the state government. SSL owns 3% of Eastern. Samar has been designed as a Ramsar site, recognized wetland of international importance by Indian government in 25 March 1990 because the wetland is a key of wintering area of tens of thousands of flamings and other birds that migrate from northern Asia. The specialized algae and bacteria growing in the lake provide striking watercolor and support the lake ecology that in turn sustains and migrating waterfalls. There is other wildlife in the nearby forest, where nilgai move freely along with the deer. There are 38 clusters of villages surrounding the lake. Major settlements include Sambar, Gunda, Javnagar, Nava, Jhak, Korshina, Jhapok, Kansinda, Kunni, Tayuda, Jovindani, Nandana, Sindodia, Arvik Kidhani, Kananda, Karkari, Kerwa Kidhani, Rajas and Jalwali Kidhani. In a one day, three times trains come here for loading the salt. After loading the salt, train is going to salt bank to store it. Those people who load the salt in train without any protected clothes, those average life is only 45 years old and those faces many skin problems. In 1884, Asian sculpture art was discovered in the area as part of a small-scale excavation work done in Shower Lake. During the excavation, some terracotta structures, coins, and seals were found along with the clay stupa. Sambar sculpture art appears to be influenced of Buddhism. Later on, around 1934, a larger-scale systematic and scientific excavation was conducted in which a large number of terracotta figures, stonewares, and decorated discs were found. A number of these sculptures from Sambar are present in the Albert Hall Museum. The nearest airport of Sanganer and the nearest railway station is Samar. The water is fetched to the lake stream from the rivers Meda, Rupangad, Kandel and Karen. The Meda and Rupangad are main streams. The Meda flows from south to north and Rupangad flows from north to south. The temperature is 40 degrees Celsius in summer and stays at as the center of the lake, we see a temple of Sakumbri Mata stabilized here. The history of the temple is the Indian epic Mahabharata mentioned the Sambar lake as part of kingdom of the demon King Vrishprava, as the place where his priest Sukracharya lived, and as the place where the marriage between his daughter Devyani and King Yayati took place. A temple dedicated to Devyani can be seen near the lake. According to local tradition, Sakumbri Devi, a tutelary goddess of Chauhan Rajputs, and the consort of Lord Shiva, in return for some service done to her, converted a dense forest into a plain of silver. Subsequently, at the request of the inhabitants who dread the greed and strife which such a poison would excite, she transferred it into the lake. The name of the lake stems from the corruption of her name, which happened around the 6th century.